eager it's raining, where will you go?
I don't know. My brother used to write a lot of compose a lot of songs for our family in Delaware language, and I can remember some of them. It was like Peshmoket Kea, Nina Wilwinga, Dape, Nina Wilwinga, Nachomel, Benny, Leia, 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 Leia. Peshmoket Kea, Nina Wilwinga, Dape, Nina Wilwinga, Nachomel. Benny, way out, way oh, way out. And that one was just it's asking, do you hear them singing or dancing? And Nina will wing on now. And and it's asking the question, do you see them singing and dancing? Do you like the song? And it just goes, Benny. And that means, yeah, yeah, that's for sure. And then it starts to chant, way oh, way oh, way oh, way oh. And yeah, those aren't when you hear the singing and you hear that high, all the chanting, we always believe that that's the sounds that the spirits, the language of the spirits. So and those are the sounds that they make and the different feelings and whenever when they communicate with each other. So that's why it's kind of almost sounds more like the wind or the water, right? They're not really something. They're not really articulated words. So